Thanks for watching. I'm meteorologist Jacqueline Thomas. Heading through the day today, we're dealing with gusty winds, blustery conditions behind that system that brought us those showers and thunderstorms at times last night, and even a few showers up north today. Gusts could push 35 to 45 miles per hour, so make sure any loose objects are secured outdoors. This afternoon, temperatures are also not going to be nearly as hot as yesterday when we reached the 90s for a few spots. Highs today closer to 70 up north and closer to 80 degrees in southern parts of the state. Still getting in on some sunshine south, but a few clouds lingering up north. Those wind gusts again being elevated through the day today, starting to subside as we head towards this evening. The good thing is those winds are ushering in the drier, cooler air. So brief relief from the heat and the humidity, those dew points dropping today and feeling that difference out there. But the humidity comes back as we head towards early next week. And with it, the heat also makes a comeback. By early next week, we could be looking at another couple of days where temperatures soar into the 90s. So a big feel of summer as we officially are kicking off the summer season here, heading into our weekend. Futurecast taking us into the weekend actually has a pretty dry Saturday in store for us for a change. A few clouds will build in overhead, and there will be a chance for some showers and even thunderstorms as we head through late Saturday night into early Sunday morning. Some of those storms could be stronger with gusty winds and even some downpours, but that will taper off and begin to move out on Sunday, leaving us with sunshine later Sunday afternoon, a clear sky Sunday night, and that sets us up for the heat that we're expecting early next week. The high heat and humidity making a return, a good amount of sunshine coming with it.